Hello everyone, we'll solve now problem 7, page 142. XYZ stock price and dividend history are as follows. Given beginning of year price and dividend paid at the end of year over 4 years 2010, 11, 12 and 2013. An investor buys 6 shares of XYZ at the beginning of 2010 at a price of $120 per share. Buys another 2 shares at the beginning of 2011 at a price of $129 per share. Sells 1 share at the beginning of 2012 at a price of $115 per share. And sells all 7 remaining shares at the beginning of 2013 at a price of $120 per share. Part A. What are the arithmetic and geometric average time weighted rate of returns for the investor? So first of all, we need to compute the rate of return for the stock from year to year. To start from year 2010 till 2011, rate of return is ending price, end of year or beginning of next year, beginning of 2011, minus 2010 price, add dividend $2 per share, over beginning price or 2010 price. The answer is 9.16%. From 2011 till 2012, also ending price or price of 2012 minus 2011 price plus dividend over 2011 price. The answer is 9.3%. From 2012 till 2013, also 2013 price minus 2012 price plus dividend over 2012 price, and the answer is 6.08%. Now, to compute the arithmetic mean, it is the summation of the 3 returns over 3. So 0.0916 plus minus 0.0930 plus 0.0608 over 3, and the answer is 0.0198 or 1.98%. As for the geometric mean, it is the third radical, since we have 3 years, into 1 plus first rate of return times 1 plus second rate of return times 1 plus the third rate of return, all minus 1, and the answer is 1.648%. That's for part A, arithmetic and geometric mean. As for part B, what is the dollar weighted rate of return? So we need to compute the dollar weighted rate of return. So here we have to compute first of all the cash flows for each year over each year, and then to compute the dollar weighted rate of return. To start first at time 0, the investor buys 6 shares, so he has to pay 6 times the price per share at beginning 2010, as mentioned previously, 120. 6 times 120, so he has to pay minus $720, which is 6 shares at $120 each. So at 1/1/2010 we have an outflow of $720. 2011, the investors buy another 2 shares at the beginning of 2011. So purchase of 2 shares, price 129. He has to pay 2 times 129, and he will earn dividend income on 6 shares. So he will earn 6 times 2, $12, and he will pay 129 times 2, and the answer is minus $246. So put it on the chart. As for the third year, sells 1 share at the beginning of 2012, selling 1 share, so he will earn, the price was third year beginning of 2012 $115, So he will earn $115 in addition to the dividend on the 8 shares, 6 plus 2. So 8 times 2, $16 dividend plus $115 the proceeds from the sale of the share. The total is a positive inflow of $131. So add it to the chart. The last step, and sells all 7 remaining shares at the beginning of 2013 where the price was $120 per share. So selling 7 shares at $120 per share, add dividends on 7 shares, 2 times 7 equal 14, and the total answer is $854, which is an inflow. Now we have the chart of inflows and outflows. We can compute the dollar weighted of return. So the dollar weighted of return is the internal rate of return that sets the sum of the present value of each net cash flow to 0. So 0 equal first cash flow at time 0 minus 720 plus second cash flow at time 1 minus 246 over 1 plus IRR power 1 plus 131 over 1 plus IRR power 2 plus 854 over 1 plus IRR power 3, and the answer is 0.748%. It can be computed either through financial calculator or through Excel or through trial and error. Using trial and error, we need to take 2 discount rates, a high discount rate and a low discount rate. Start with net present value at 1%. So instead of IRR, put 1%. The answer is negative. So we need a smaller rate. We'll try 0.5%. So at a discount rate of 0.5%, the answer is positive. Now we can use the formula to compute, the approximate formula to compute IRR. IRR equal lower discount plus net present value lower over net present value lower minus net present value higher into higher discount minus lower discount. Substitute the values and the answer is 7.48%. Thank you very much.